morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Friday, November 14th. The euro rose 0.35% against the US dollar and closed at 1.2475. In economic news, monthly consumer prices in Germany registered a drop of 0.3% in October, registering a fourth consecutive month of decline, at par with market expectations, and thus indicating that the Eurozone's biggest economy continues to face the risk of deflation. Separately, the ECB in its monthly report for November reported that under its new monetary expansionary policy program, it would start buying asset-backed securities in order to boost the region's economic growth. Yesterday, the ECB's executive board member Benoit Coeure expressed concerns over low inflation prevailing in the Eurozone and indicated that the sovereign bond buying is one of the options for the central bank to add further stimulus measures to the struggling euro economy. The greenback lost ground after a number of people claiming initial jobless claims in the US climbed to 290,000 in a week ended 8th of November, higher than market expectations. Yesterday, the Fed Chairwoman Yellen opined that the central bank should keep a close eye on the overseas economic developments and how they may affect the US economy, so as to achieve its objectives of full employment and price stability. The pair is expected to find support at 1.2428, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.2400. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1.2488, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.2520. Trading trends in the euro today are expected to be determined by the Eurozone, as well as the peripheries of GDP data scheduled in a few hours. Meanwhile, the US advanced retail sales and consumer confidence data would keep investors on their toes. The British pound fell 0.38% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5707. Yesterday, the Bank of England Deputy Governor Benoit reiterated that interest rate hike in the UK would be limited and gradual. However, he urged that the wages and productivity in the nation should improve in order to have a sustained economic recovery. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5639, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.5601. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5749, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5821. Amid the light economic calendar from Britain today, investors look forward to construction output data for further cues. The US dollar strengthened 0.20% against the Japanese yen and closed at 115.79. The pair is expected to find support at 115.49, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 114.95. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 116.38, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 116.75. Going forward, investors await Japan's third quarter GDP data scheduled in the early hours of Monday. The US dollar declined 0.34% against the Swiss franc and closed at 0.9637. In economic news, the producer and import prices index in Switzerland eased 0.1% on a monthly basis in October, lower than market expectations for a fall of 0.3%. The pair is expected to find support at 0.9625, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 0.9598. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.9675, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.9698. Amid lack of economic releases from Switzerland today, investors await Swiss ZEW's economic expectations data scheduled next week. That was it for today. Make sure you check out our CommexFX card. CommexFX offers you the exclusive service to withdraw funds with ease and efficiency with your CommexFX card from your Forex trading account anywhere in the world. It has never been easier to manage your account as you have straight access to cash your funds. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a great trading day!